back, festive friends, to another Under the Christmas Tree video demonstration. I'm Katy, as you already know, and today we are looking at the new latest in beauty advent calendar. As you can see, it's all still in its wrapper. I'm going to take it out and let you have a really good look. Okay, so the first thing we noticed was that this has a lovely design. It's an enchanted forest. It's actually embossed with gold letters. As you can see, it says, "Let your beauty shine this Christmas." And on the back, I'll just let you see this. It says, "Sparkle like the star that you are." Now already we kind of feel that it's very wintry, very Christmassy, and I'm really looking forward to opening up and having a look inside. Unlike some of the other beauty advent calendars and skincare advent calendars, this one doesn't particularly have an overwhelming scent. Sometimes you can smell them quite a lot when they arrive. However, this one isn't too bad, and it's also very sturdy. As you can see, it's sealed down quite well, so nothing's going to burst when it arrives in your home. I'll go ahead and open it up. Like a lot of the advent calendars this year, we all see that they've got this gold ribbon, or a type of ribbon anyway, to open it up, just to give it that more luxurious feel. By the way, just to mention, this is its 7th year running for the latest in beauty advent calendars, which is quite amazing when you come to think that advent calendars, especially the beauty ones, have only really been popular for about the last 3 or 4 years, that they've gotten a lot bigger and sometimes far more expensive. Oh, just to note, you also get the U magazine included. Now this has everything that will be inside the advent calendar. I've not looked at this yet because I don't really want to know, and I think there's other little goodies, but I'll have a look at this later. So opening up, the first thing that I'm noticing is we've gone back to the traditional rip apart doors, which for me is brilliant because when we were younger, that's all we ever did with advent calendars. The boxes, the slide out boxes are lovely, but I do like going back to some of the more old traditional Christmas advents. So, taking a look through, just to know, I won't be opening all the doors here. I will later on, but I won't open them all here, just in case you don't want to see what's behind every single door. I'll definitely put a list on the website, however. So looking for door number 1, here's door number 1 here. So let's just see how easy this is going to be to, oh yeah, it was actually quite easy. So you burst it away, let's put that there, and then, now I can see this and it has exactly what is in the advent calendar. It is upside down, however it's the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Gel. Now I'm just going to pop that out. A lot like all the other advent calendars, this is definitely sturdy enough that you'll have to use a little bit of force. So the bath and shower gel, I'll just have a quick smell. It's a good size sample. Oh, it is, it's really nice and refreshing. It'll certainly help relax you during this busy festive season, because we know how much everybody is so busy. So I'll just pop that over here. As you can see, it is really large. So I'm looking for door number, I think we should take maybe, I'm not going to do Christmas Eve because I don't want to spoil Christmas Eve. I'll do door number 12. So you just push this in. You can already tell that by the end of opening the whole of this, it's going to look pretty messy, but that's okay, because all you have to do is just close it back up and it'll look absolutely stunning. You'll get the original design. These are tearing away quite easily, actually. Oh, so let's have a look. We've got Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Polish. This is perfect for any parties. I'm going to have a quick look and see what colours are all in here. These are full-size bottles as well, which is really, really good. This is the Miracle Gel and is in shade Slay All Day. Perfect, they're even Christmas shades and Christmas names, that's perfect. And the other one, oh, this is the top coat, so this is step 2, so you would apply this one followed by this one. Again, if you're not a fan of any of the products, the likes of this one, you could easily wrap and put into a stocking filler, a secret gift from Santa for your work colleagues. I'm sure they would certainly appreciate any of these sort of gifts. I'll just pop that one down there so you can see. Okay, so again, we have Home Manicure, as it states here, with Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Duo Nail Pack. It tells you how to use the product, which is brilliant, especially if you're buying this for maybe somebody like a teenager. They'll get little handy tips throughout. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to have a quick look at door number, I'll go back to this side. Let's go for something like number 2. Push in. I do love the sound of all these old-fashioned calendars, I think they're great. So this is going to be Divine Greens with Sukin Foaming Facial Cleanser. It's got chamomile, aloe vera. Basically it's got everything just to keep you nice and calm, especially during the busy time as I've said before. And this is 50ml, so again, a good size if you want to take away or even just to be using over, you know, the winter months when your skin can become quite dry. Again, I'll just have a quick smell. I don't want to squirt it too hard or I'll end up putting it all over my face. Yeah, it does. You can smell the chamomile through that. That's really nice. I think I'll definitely be keeping this one for myself. Right, I'm going to open one last final door because like I said, I really don't want everybody knowing everything that's in the calendar. In case you don't want to, I will put a full list on our website. So if you do want to know and have a quick good look in case there's anything you don't want to keep, so you can open them up and wrap them up as gifts. Or if there's things that you maybe would want now so you can use before the whole season kicks off, then you've got time to do so. Okay, we'll go for a door. Oh, this one looks interesting. And now, as I said before, they are packaged in really well, so it might take a couple of times just to try and force it out. And if you've got fake nails on, which I don't, oh, the lid just came off, I don't have them on, I can see that it might be a little bit troublesome. Okay, so looking at this, we've got Oskia's Nutri-Active Day Cream. It's hydrating, repairs and protects. Brilliant. I've had this as a full-size sample before and it is brilliant. It really does work well in my skin, especially when this kind of damp weather, wintry weather is setting in, and apparently we're supposed to get snow even earlier than normal this year. This will certainly hydrate your skin and leave it really soft and smooth, and it smells really nice. It's not too overpowering. Now, what I'll do just now is I'll just close this up and let you have a look at the front, because like I've said, I don't want to open too many doors because I don't want to spoil it for everybody else. I will put a full list of the products on our website because I'll open up all the rest later, which I can already tell by the looks of the open doors is going to look a little bit messy, but I don't care, it's Christmas. And it's not going anywhere, it's all mine anyways. So taking a look at the U magazine, which you get included. I'm going to have a quick look through because I've not actually had a look through yet. So starting with, okay, so it's just an introduction. Telling you all about the products, it's kind of giving you an idea of what's included, and then throughout, again, it's showing you all the products. I don't want to keep going through in case you don't want to see too many, but it's showing you all the products that you get, including one of the new Garnier charcoal masks. I've used quite a few of these and I do like this one. It also gives you a top tip for your skincare routine, which is great because some of these little handy notes I didn't know, so I'll definitely put into practice this Christmas. Okay, going through, as you can see, it's just more of the same, all the products that are listed. Keep going through because I don't want to show you too many. And on the back, which I thought was quite surprisingly, you do get perfume and home candles. I think it's the White Company winter candle that you get. You get perfume and you get a nice candle, which unlike a lot of advent calendars, I have seen quite a few advent calendars with just candles, with just perfumes. This has got an array of different products. So, I see a back page here that says just for you. I always love this section. It's full of discount codes and money off vouchers, which these I think last till, oh, a lot are now February 2019, which means basically you can go and start your Christmas shopping or a little gift for yourself straight away and get money off. I'm looking just now, products such as 20% off your next basic beauty tools. Perfect, like I said, perfect for starting your Christmas shopping, so I'll just fold that away. This enchanting Night Sky Advent Calendar Light, latest in beauty, is one of my favourites. I know I've said that probably before in a lot of other videos. I can't help myself, I love all the Advent calendars. Every one that we receive, I just can't help but tear into them, have a look, and then end up using all the products before Christmas and having to buy another. So one last look. I'll not open them all, but I will put a full list like I said before. This is already out, it was out at the very start of October. and it's £60. I'm sure there's an offer just now on the Latest in Beauty website, but it is £60. It is worth £255 and would make a great gift for yourself or for any friends and families or beauty lovers. So that's everything from me today. Please give me the thumbs up if you love Christmas and Advent calendars like me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll put all details below for our website and for more information. Thanks for watching, festive friends. Bye!